Struggling to catch your breath? Whether it's from past illness, long COVID, or just feeling winded too easily, your lungs can rebuild naturally. I worked with a client who, post-COVID, couldn't walk up a flight of stairs without gasping. His doctor offered medication. We took a different route, and 60 days later, he was jogging again. Your body is designed to repair itself, especially your lungs, but it needs the right fuel and habits. Most people think recovery comes from meds or inhalers, but your lungs can regenerate when given the right breathing techniques, antioxidants, and gentle movement. Your body's a healing machine if you know how to turn it on. You might be thinking, my lungs are damaged, they'll never be the same. That belief will hold you back. I've seen people in their 50s and 60s restore their lung power with natural methods. You're not stuck. Don't have time or fancy equipment? Good. You don't need any. Just a few minutes a day with the right tools, and your lungs can get stronger week by week. If you're ready to breathe deeper, move better, and feel more alive, book your free 30-minute consultation with me. Let's build your lung strength back naturally.